A design pattern is a pattern that suggests a solution to a particular problem or issue in object-oriented software development. In today's world of software development, it's crucial to be familiar with design patterns that can help you create robust, efficient, and maintainable codes. We have three different design patterns type: creational, structural, and behavioral. Now we are diving into the creational design patterns. Abstract Factory lets you produce families or related objects without specifying their concrete classes. So, it defines an interface for creating all distinct products, but leaves the actual product creation to concrete factory classes. Here, I create an empty solution and I want to add all the design patterns projects to one solution. If you do not know how to create a project in Visual Studio, you can find the video in my channel. For better understanding, I separate interfaces and classes. So I add interface and class folder to the project. For adding an interface, right-click on the interface folder, select Add and New Item. Select Interface and set a name for it, and then click Add. Let's define interfaces for the products that will be created. Now we implement the concrete versions of the products for Windows and Mac. Here I define an abstract factory interface to create the related products, button and checkboxes. Now in the program.cs, I create the UI for the either Windows or Mac without modifying the client code. Let's run the project and see the results. Builder design pattern lets you construct complex objects step by step. This pattern allows you to produce different types and representations of an object using the same construction code. The builder pattern is a well-known pattern in C# world. It's especially useful when you need to create an object with lots of possible configuration options. Factory method provides an interface for creating objects in a superclass, but allows subclasses to alter the type of the objects that will be created. The factory method defines a method which should be used for creating objects instead of using a direct constructor call. Subclasses can override this method to change the class of objects that will be created. Prototype design pattern lets you copy existing objects without making your code dependent on their classes. It allows you cloning objects, even complex ones, without coupling to their specific classes. Singleton design pattern ensure that a class has only one instance while providing a global access point to this instance, and also ensures that only one object of its kind exists and provides a single point of access to it for any other code.